Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosi's Tasty Recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making chocolate peanut butter banana bread. Very moist and very delicious. Alright, so please stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mash 2 ripe banana. It's about 220 grams. Please make sure the banana is ripe because the sugar in this recipe is less, so the banana will serve as your sweetener. You can use a fork to mash or a potato masher, or you can even do this in your food processor. So once I'm done mashing the banana, the next thing I'm going to do is to add 2 fresh eggs, half a cup of peanut butter, and then half a cup of buttermilk, and mix everything together. To make this buttermilk, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon with a half cup of fresh milk. You can also replace the 1 tablespoon of lemon with vinegar, which is also fine. So once everything is well combined, I'll set it aside and then go ahead and mix my dry ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to sift in 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon salt. Sift everything in and then go ahead and add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Please don't add too much sugar because the banana is already sweet. So once the dry ingredient is well combined, I'll go ahead and add the wet ingredient and then mix everything together. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then also give it a quick mix. The next thing I'll be adding is 100 grams of chocolate chips and then give it a quick mix and transfer the mixture into my loaf pan lined with a parchment paper. So once all the mixture goes inside the pan, spread it evenly and then add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanut butter and then try to make a swirl design with your spatula, or you can even use the cake tester or kebab sticks, which is fine. And then please preheat your oven to 250 degrees and bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes, the bread is done and I'm going to allow it to completely cool before I slice. Okay, so it took about 10 minutes for the bread to completely cool. So I'm going to slice through and then show you how moist and fluffy the bread looks. Okay, it smells so good and then very, very, very moist. All right, so this is a very healthy option for you to enjoy your banana as well. All you need is your Milo, coffee, or any beverage you want to add. All right, so if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Please take care of yourself. I love you all. God bless you all. Bye bye.